It's Richard, and I'm here talking about my latest modification I'm going to be making to Project Overland Bison. And now I'm going to be addressing an issue that I've had for some time, which is looking through my rear view mirror to see what's going on through my rear window. Now, we do have the backup camera. I do have a complication to that, as I am running a Rig Supply Ultra Swing, which blocks that rear camera view. But on top of that, my rear visibility just stinks, whether it's because my topper's in the way and the tinted window, or the amount of gear I'm carrying. You run into the problem of basically having no rear visibility and, for the most part, a kind of useless rear view mirror. Here I have an Echomaster full screen replacement rearview mirror monitor, and this is a monitor that does have the full mirror area completely replaced with that monitor functionality, which is something I like. Some of them only have a partial amount that shows the rear camera, but this also has two things you can see here. It's got a forward-facing camera and a rearward-facing camera, but don't forget, it's also got a DVR. So it's got some pretty cool functionality we'll look at, but let's get on with the unboxing. Up top here looks like our typical instruction guide goodies here, so we'll have to take a good look at the installation. And I will be following this up with a full installation showing you what's involved with installing it on the Bison. We have the mirror assembly, and as you can see, it is a big mirror. It does actually mount directly to the rear view mirror mount, which is a nice feature. Some of them are just covers over the top. And all of our wiring harnesses and goodies here. So it looks like this is one of the wire harnesses, a couple of other accessories. This one is some more power wires and probably video signal forward, and the camera assembly. And it looks like another kind of mounting bracket here. So I'll be excited to go ahead and get this installed this weekend. We'll go into all those details, but we are looking at something that is going to resolve the issue we have with anytime we have a fully loaded truck and that rear view mirror no longer preserves its functionality.